हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ गाइज़ आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे, बहुत बढ़िया होंगे एंड डेफिनेटली आप लोग मेरी वीडियोस ज़रूर देखते होंगे। तो गाइज़ आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डीए हाइक मई 2024। सो क्या न्यूज़ है? डेफिनेटली आप लोग ज़रूर ध्यान से देखिएगा। हुआ महंगाई भत्ता रिवाइज, जाने पूरी जानकारी, पता करें कौन सा बदलाव होगा। सो बेसिकली डियरेंस अलाउंस जो था, बहुत टाइम से बात हो रही थी कि जो सेंट्रल एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनका जो डियरेंस अलाउंस है वो इंक्रीज़ करने वाली है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, और वो बेसिकली 2 बार करती है साल में। और जो करेंटली एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं वो 50% डीए रिसीव कर रहे हैं, और भी अलाउंसेस उनको मिलते हैं। और जुलाई मंथ से जो है गवर्नमेंट ने अपडेट कर दिया है एम्प्लॉयज़ फ्रॉम जुलाई मंथ, लाइक यू कैन चेक हाउ मच डीए हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। सो बेसिकली 7th पे कमीशन डियरेंस अलाउंस जो रिसेंटली इंक्रीज़ किया था सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में ने इन द मिडल ऑफ द मार्च मंथ 2024. So basically government delayed the hike in DA which was expected to announce in January month. But employees have received the complete arrears which was pending from January month along with their new salary with dearness allowance. So dearness allowance provided to the employees to overcome effect of inflation in their life. Apart from this, other allowances such as house and rent allowance, medical allowance, travel allowance, children allowances, hostel subsidy for children, etc. are also provided by the government. But dearness allowance most effect on the salary of the employees. All the allowances are calculated on the basic salary of the employees. So now employees are getting 50% of their basic salary as DA and getting other facilities also. But now we will again hear the big announcement from the central government for their salary. So dearness allowance is a part of the salary for the government employees in India. It's like extra money given to them because the cost of living keeps going up due to inflation. So DA is calculated as a percentage of their basic salary, which is a fixed part of their pay. The government changes this percentage every 6 months in January and July based on how much prices have gone up. So basically, it's applied to all government workers' basic salaries. DA also affects things like house rent and travel allowances. When DA changes, employees get extra money for the time between the new rate starting and the DA hike. It also affects retired employees' pension. So it's important for both current and former government workers. If you look at the previous year's DA hike patterns of the central government, then we can easily find out that in the inflation in India is increasing at the rate of 4% monthly. So the dearness allowance is calculated according to the All India CPI index. How much it increased, the allowance will also increase accordingly. Most of the employees are expecting to get 4% more dearness allowance in July month. However, after that it will be increased by, up to 54%. But there are multiple factors which are going to change after reaching out the 50% of DA. So there will be the 7th Pay Commission salary, new structure and payment for employees under dearness allowances. So it is assumed that government will follow providence of 7th Pay Commission and revise the basic pay structure of the employees again after 10 years, and will start dearness allowance from the 0%. There are also possibility of preparing 8th Pay Commission to revise the new structure of the salary. But there is no any official announcement from any authority or officials regarding to this. So we have to depend on the next announcement of the central government of increment in DA for the government employees and pensioners. So next DA increment date 2024, let us know. So basically, the government is delaying to increase the allowance of the employees, but it is delayed due to the late reports of All India CPI index. Provide CPI index of a month in the upcoming month. For example, if we have to watch the CPI index of July month of 2024, then it will be released in the end of the August month. After that, officers will discuss multiple factors of increment in DA and will finally announce the hike in the DA in September month. So that was basically the information that I wanted to share among all of you guys. So I hope it is very helpful for all of you. And this was the latest news about the DA hike. So stay tuned and do subscribe this channel for all the latest updates, and definitely I will keep on posting the latest update which I will get. And thank you so much for all that love and support that I'm getting. But please keep on sharing the videos, keep on subscribing the channel, keep on loving all the videos. And if you have any queries, you can post your queries in the comment section also. That's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.